Hello, this is our 105 the SSR hopper, and here is the talcum powder injection. Here the powder from here go to in the screw, and this part is water cooling jacket. This is keep the screw here is cold, not warm. And all here, all inside is aluminum heater. And here, the cooling heater also have a pipe inside. You can check. Cooling pipe is here. This is the cooling pipe, cooling inside. And here is the outside cooling. Here is the double control. This is automatic, and here is the menu. And this is our screen changer. It's the GC10. This is the die head. Here is the button pump. The motor is EX. And this is the GMS pump, also EX.